From the Delhi studios of Republic TV, it's time for Arnab Goswami on The Debate.
It's time to tell the Lakhimpur truth. More and more videos have emerged of the Lakhimpur incident. And nobody is not at fault. Both sides are at fault. And both sides have knowingly murdered fellow Indian citizens. And the politicians, what do I say of them, viewers? Despicable. Those who are taking sides are doing the greatest disservice to the country. They should stop immediately. And anyone cheering either side on social media also ought to stop. What are the facts? Fact is that there is a video which shows protesters being deliberately and gruesomely being mowed down by a speeding jeep. Those who were mowed down, specifically they, were not attacking those in the jeep, though I can't make out whether others further back among the protesters were, making the driver respond in panic. But either way, panic does not justify mowing over people, killing people. So the BJP should stop denying the incident in which the protesters died. Fact is also that videos show a ghastly lynch mob emerge, gather sticks and swords and kill one after the other 4 occupants of the cars. Now parties like the Vadra Congress, who are not talking about this lynching, are misleading the people of India. The videos of the lynching, viewers, of the lynchings are so bloody and so full of cries for help and the cheer of a violent mob that it makes your skin crawl. These videos are out there. But most unfortunately, there are some people in the media who, like politicians, want to milk this as a political opportunity, as a narrative selling opportunity. It is not. It is a reflection, ladies and gentlemen, of how terrible things can get, of how low things can fall to when political ambition and political desperation collides with a simmering anger. It is a cocktail which, at the risk of repeating myself, I will have to say once again tonight, it's a cocktail so violent, so dangerous, that it can consume us all, ladies and gentlemen. It'll incarcerate the people of India. It will consume us all. Let's stop the politics over Lakhimpur, ladies and gentlemen. If you see the way the lynchings were carried, there are no words to describe. 10 videos from Lakhimpur are exposing a chronology of violence. Every side will be confronted tonight. That's debate number 1 and debate number 2 this evening, viewers. Debate number 2 this evening. With 4 more arrests in the NCB crackdown, Drugsgate just got bigger. Why should any star's son get indulgence for being a star kid? That's debate number 2. And here are the headlines. This Tuesday evening on The Debate Tonight. Videos explain the chronology. The truth about Lakhimpur is emerging tonight. Videos raise more questions on the claims made. We tell you why all sides are answerable.
मंत्री जी के बेटे उस समय गाड़ी में मौजूद नहीं थे, वो कार्यक्रम स्थल पे थे और वहाँ पे चूंकि कार्यक्रम सुबह से कुश्ती का प्रारंभ हो जाता है तो वो वहीं कार्यक्रम की व्यवस्था के लिए वहाँ पे ही कार्यक्रम स्थल पे रुके हुए थे।
Minister and son deny reports of them being on location. Eyewitness speaks out on the situation on the side. More teams reach Mumbai as multiple raids are underway. 16 people arrested in the cruise drug bust. As more and more rot emerges, national support grows against Drugsgate, and there is great support for the crackdown by the NCB. And 3 murders. In 60 minutes in Srinagar, terrorists begin targeted killings in Srinagar as forces go all out again. Ladies and gentlemen, what happened on the 3rd of October in Lakhimpur sent shockwaves across the nation. Until tonight, there were only a few videos that were out. Tonight, 10 more videos have surfaced that show just how ghastly the violence was. These are the 10 videos that tell us why all sides are answerable tonight. Take a look in detail, and then we debate.
48 hours after the violence in Lakhimpur, new videos have surfaced, which when put chronologically reveal the full story. Watch video 1. The protesters block key roads and astutely arrange where they are placed. Video 2. The cars, part of a cavalcade, were surrounded and attacked with sticks as they passed by. Video 3. One of the cars slowed down. A man opened the windows upon seeing the mob that get out them, indicating there was no premeditated intent to drive over people. Video 4. A jeep is seen mowing down the people who are caught unaware and innocently marching on the street. A black SUV tails the jeep as it tramples on protesters. Video 5. After ramming into the protesters, a man is seen jumping out of the jeep to flee, leaving an injured man struggling under the jeep's tire. Video 6. In a full 1 minute 45-second video, an SUV turns turtle. A man is beaten to pulp on the side of the street with a lathi amidst chants of "Maro, Maro." And then the video abruptly stops as one person from the mob says stop the recording. Video 7. A man is cornered and intimidated post the mowing down. Here the seemingly injured man plead to the mob. Watch video 8. A visibly injured man is captured by the mob. He was bleeding, struggling to speak as the mob tries to coerce him. Video 9. Cars are deliberately set ablaze by the mob. Video 10. Amidst it all, a reappearing visual remained that of men with Bindranwale shirts in what was quote-unquote a farmers' protest. Families of the deceased are calling it a conspiracy.
जिन लोगों ने मारा वो अपने आप को किसान कहते हैं। उन लोगों ने भाई साहब वो किसान नहीं है जिन्होंने मारा, वो क्रिमिनल है। किसान किसी की जान थोड़ी नहीं लेगा, किसान तो अन्नदाता है। किसान किसी को नहीं मार सकता।
And Ashish Mishra, the son of the Union Minister of State for Home, Ajay Mishra Teni, who faces an FIR, claims he was someplace else.
देखिए, सबसे बड़ी बात यह है कि हम तो वहाँ थे ही नहीं। मेरे यहाँ पैतर गांव में कार्यक्रम था जिसमें मैं मौजूद था, जिसके साक्ष्य भी मेरे पास हैं। और उन्होंने जिन लोगों ने भी FIR करी है या कराई है, वो तो जांच में स्पष्ट हो जाएगा। दूध का दूध, पानी का पानी निकल आएगा।
But the videos in circulation lead to some clear conclusions. There was possibly no premeditated plot to kill protesters. The jeep that did ram into protesters appears to be mowing them down deliberately. A lynch mob was acting in a calibrated manner. No side can claim to have its hands clean. Let's debate.
Cabinet Minister in the UP government, Siddharth Nath Singh, is my first guest tonight. Mr. Singh, thank you very much. It's bizarre that a person who is accused of murder and inciting violence in such an incident, the whole country is talking about it, but you haven't even arrested the key accused. That's unforgivable. The basic thing to do is you arrest the key accused in this case.
Well, Arnab, there is a process of law, and under the process of law, when you complain and you have a FIR, on the basis of FIR, you have a preliminary inquiry done, and the inquiry is on its way, and we don't know when, but I'm sure once the inquiry is over, which is going to happen very quickly, the gentleman in question, if he is involved, then certainly he'll be arrested.
Is this more about? Is this a classic political reaction where you feel that if you arrest the key accused, you'll be seen to be giving in to the demands of the opposition leaders? In other words, is this a political ego issue for you? I mean, because if you were to follow the process and you're telling me the process, I find it surprising, Mr. Siddharth Nath Singh, there seems to be no urgency to your process. There seems to be no urgency to your process.
Well, the process, if you have looked into the number of videos coming up, I'm sure it's not going to be easy to decide. So you have to follow the process, you have to follow the investigation, and based on that, certainly, the law will prevail over whatever is to be done. But if you avoid the process, then certainly
you're saying there are a number of videos
to be done.
Yeah, you're saying that there are a number of videos and it will take time to decide. However, one thing is apparent to me, Mr. Siddharth Nath Singh. Let me tell you one thing.
I'm not saying that.
Was the minister's son in the car or not? Was the minister's son in the car or not?
Well, I haven't gone through with a lens all these videos. So if you have gone through, then certainly you should highlight that.
No, I'm saying if the minister... See, the thing is, Mr. Singh, it's elementary out here
Arnab, you
would never believe the minister's son if he says, I was or was not in the car. You cannot, you cannot take his version at face value and the people around him at face value.
No, I'm not. We aren't. Therefore, we have gone with the FIR. And it has the charges of murder. So certainly that needs to be investigated. And there are serious charges that the government, the police has leveled against him. So if we had to take his side, then certainly
Mr. Singh, I'd say this to you.
Very simple.
But Mr. Singh, FIR is nothing. FIR is not even the start of it's just the start of the process. Question is, you seem to have made up your mind. You have said in your soundbite to ANI, you have said if they want to complete their journey till the 2022 election over dead bodies, then it won't happen.
Well, I can't really debate on the question that you are posing or you are accusing me of. But certainly I can say if FIR is not the process for investigation, I don't know under IPC or CRPC what is under the process. So FIR is certainly an important step when you investigate. Otherwise, you can't even start an investigation.
Mr. Singh, please flip the, please, I request you, please look at this objectively.
Yeah, sure.
If this had been the car of a Samajwadi Party worker or leader, and I'll show the footage now, you are, please, there must be, you must respond as a human being, not just as a politician, for the humanity's sake. See the video in which the people are being mowed down. I want to run the pictures, viewers. Mr. Singh, allow me to complete. You're not allowing me to complete. You're not allowing me to complete. You must give me an opportunity to describe the footage.
No, I'm saying
I saw this video. I saw this video late last night.
On a judgment of a...
No, it's not about serious. No, it's not about serious.
Yeah.
It's not about serious. You see, Mr. Singh, it's not about. Of course, it's serious. But if you see the footage here, what is apparent? Allow me to complete, Mr. Singh. Allow me to complete. Allow me to complete. You are not allowing me to complete what I'm saying. What I'm saying, and I will not give in. I will continue to ask the question. What is apparent to me is that there are people who have been mowed down like they were insects or animals from the back, and there is this jeep followed by a Fortuner car which just runs right through them. It may not have been premeditated, but the act of running over these innocent people was a deliberate act. You don't drive through at a high speed over a crowd of protesters and say it was an accident. It was not an accident. I repeat, Mr. Singh, it was not an accident. It was not an accident like it was initially believed to be.
I don't
so
know.
I want you, just my question to you is, and I'm sure you'll agree with me. My question, now I'm coming to my question. I'm not yet giving in. My question to you, Mr. Singh, is this. My question to you is this. Nobody has been arrested, and in the middle of Uttar Pradesh, a car, I want to show the footage, just runs over people in that 1 minute 35-second video. 45-second video. Can we run that video, please? Just runs over the people, and nobody has been arrested. Nobody has been arrested. Because I think you believe that if you arrest someone, then you will be seen to be on the losing side politically.
Well,
Can you forget the politics for once?
If you'll allow me, Mr. Goswami, if you'll allow me to speak now, I think you have spoken quite a bit, and you have raised, and it's your channel, you're the anchor, but then allow me. Well, I can appreciate your concern, and we are also equally concerned. But you do need to investigate, to identify, and then arrest people. You can't just arrest just looking at the video. If you can and identify something, please do let us know. So therefore, you do need to investigate and then arrest people. But we can't be in the government, or the law in Uttar Pradesh cannot be said that, okay, the media wants so-and-so to be arrested, and we just go ahead and arrest. Because we have to face a trial and conviction to be done.
It's not about media.
In the court.
It's not about media.
You do need to follow something under investigation, and I'm sure. I'm sure you do understand IPC, and you do understand CRPC, how it works. So please, for God's sake,
I understand IPC, I understand CRPC, I'm legally literate.
But yes, do not conclude. No, sorry. You are concluding.
Okay.
You are concluding and passing a judgment as if we are not going to be doing something. So that's your prerogative. But our prerogative is we will follow the law, and law will prevail in Uttar Pradesh.
Okay, Mr. Singh, I'm yet not yielding. I'm continuing with my next question. You're being very aggressive with me. That's all right. But I will continue to plow along with my question. My point is this, Mr. Singh, and I'll hope that in this time when I ask you the question, you will allow me to complete my question. Yeah, no, that's good that you're smiling. But I repeat, you see, Mr. Singh, this is not political. And the point I want to underline to you is, while there may be channels who can look at this as an opportunity to twist a narrative, etc., Republic is showing the entire facts of the case. I'm questioning all sides right now. My question is this. See, Mr. Singh, the footage, the ghastly video of the Jeep plowing through the men on the street and moving away, the big SUV Fortuner tails it throughout. A few people jump out of the way. Those who cannot jump die. There is an elderly man in a yellow turban, right, and a white shirt. He's hit completely unaware. He's flung on the bonnet. He's flung on the bonnet. Right? Men are falling to the ground like pieces on a chessboard. My question to you is this. There is no doubt in anyone's mind that this was part of a BJP leader's entourage. The question is whether the BJP leader was there, whether the BJP leader's son was there. But there is no doubt in anyone's mind, including yours, that this was part of an entourage. Second, there is no doubt in anyone's mind that this was not accident. Your minister, Central Minister Ajay Mishra, has been saying that this was accidental. He's been trying to justify it. It was not accidental, and there is, everyone in the country will ask you questions on why, if a car belonging to a BJP entourage does this to protesters, if it had been any other political party in any other state, you would have been on the street, sir.
Can I speak now? May I
Please.
speak? Okay. Arnab, now I will speak on behalf of UP government, and certainly he is a minister at the center, but I will not speak for a father who is, who is trying to defend his son. So I will not get into that side of the debate. But as far as the UP government is concerned, it is very disturbing, and certainly it is. I can't really say it's a premeditated, and it's just an accident. So I will not get in. You can't decide on which side, whether it's a premeditated or it's an accident. So it has to come through an investigation, and that's exactly what we are doing. And we will go at the pace that we have taken, so that we reach to a conclusion ASAP, and we are trying to do it and not fall in the trap of that media and opposition trying to push us to come to a conclusion and start reporting. We will not do that. So please allow us, and results will come out. It's a matter of whether you trust or you don't trust. But yes, we are quite serious that justice must prevail.
Okay. We'll follow up. It's good to speak to you. Let's hope there is justice and prompt action. Siddharth Nath Singh, thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you. Opening the debate tonight, Kapil Madan Bharat Katyayan. He is National President of the Navyuvak Dal. Dr. Sunny Ahluwalia of the Aam Aadmi Party, Riju Datta of the Trinamool Congress, Anila Singh of the BJP, Ratan Sharda of the RSS, Pathikrit Pine, right-leaning analyst, and Rajat Sethi are all on the debate. I want to start with you, Sunny Ahluwalia. You heard a little bit of what Siddharth Nath Singh said. Are you satisfied? Have you seen the videos? What do you make of it? Dr. Ahluwalia, I want you to come into the debate first with Anila Singh, please. Yes, Dr. Ahluwalia.
First of all, the cabinet minister, he is very clear that first they will investigate. Investigate what? When they are ready to arrest people from our delegation, which has gone from
to UP, they have been arrested. The people, the farmer leaders have been arrested. They are ready to arrest people who are innocent, who are coming just to show the condolence to the family. They are being arrested, but the person who has murdered is not being arrested at all. Why? Why they want to investigate? When there is no investigation required for Raghav Chadda ji, when there is no investigation required for Hapal Chima, why investigation is required the person who has murdered? Everybody knows what was the speed of that jeep, that Thar jeep, which has ruined so many lives. They are saying that because of the stone pelting, because of sticks on the jeep, this has been done. But the fact is that this was the intention. Yeah. The father of that son, the father of the minister, Mr. Mishra, Ajay Mishra, he has made a statement 2 days before. You have missed that video in which he said, give me a stick and I'll show you. They will not stay in Lakhimpur. I will just get them out, the farmers out of there. I want to tell you that please show that video also. 2 days before this, father has told to his son, and his son has just applied that, and they have ruined the farmers which were protesting, which were just moving unintentionally or intentionally. Everything is clear. They should be arrested immediately.
Anila, okay. Dr. Ahluwalia, joining us from Mohali, I want to hear Anila Singh responding to you. See, Anila, this is becoming a very sticky point, and rightly so. It was not accidental. Who drove the jeep? Who was instructing? You seem to behave as if you don't know. If there was nothing, you see the ramming of the jeep into the black flag waving protesters. No, you can't wash your hands of it. It's your party leader's entourage. Who was in that SUV that was tailing the jeep? Who was sitting in the SUV which was tailing the jeep? Was it the minister's son? Who was sitting in the SUV? Who was sitting in the SUV? I repeat my question, that was tailing the jeep.
Allow me. I've heard you. I've heard your question. First of all, we should not play Sherlock Holmes games here. And let the inquiry happen. And judicial inquiry is on. And we should have trust in some institutions and the people and the organization. When we show lack of trust, then it is an attack on our democracy and on our constitution. And this is what I am observing in today's day. And if I talk about the opposition, for opposition, it is a fetching situation, Arnab. They can go to any extent to be a political freebooter. This is what they are doing. If they think that this is this unfortunate incident which happened in Lakhimpur, it is going to be the political launchpad for upcoming elections, then definitely we are not going to allow to happen that. Yogi government is a very responsible government, very sensible, very sensitive.
Yeah. Okay.
And he knows very well that how to deliver the goods. And he's a very transparent, very strict chief minister. If somebody is thinking
let's not detract from the issue. Let's not detract from the issue. Let's not detract from the issue. I want to show you another video right now. By the way, may I please tell you that if it is my wish to play Sherlock Holmes, I will. I don't need your permission for it. If it is my wish to turn into a fiction writer, I will. If it is my wish to ask you questions, I will. I will do as I please. And please don't denigrate serious journalistic questions as Sherlock Holmes out here. No, I'm really sorry. I'm really sorry. Serious journalistic questions, in the minds of people, I will not take a patronizing comment from you. That's all. I needed to say that because I thought you were trying to be patronizing out there. I'm what? I'm influencing the agencies?
And even I do
You think people are not watching?
I don't require any affidavit from
I'm
you.
influencing agencies, Anila Singh. You're actually telling me I'm influencing agencies by asking these questions?
Of course.
Then why aren't your
How can
agencies
you say,
acting?
"वो गाड़ी आई
Why
थी
is a
पीछे
person
से
accused
मारा
of
था"?
murder free?
Do you have any facts for that? Do you have any facts for that? How can you say कि जानबूझकर उस गाड़ी ने एक्सीडेंट किया था? Do you have any facts with you? If you have, then you should share with the agencies.
One second.
If you
I
do
want to
not,
hear from
then
1
let
minute.
the
Anila,
agency do its work.
Anila, listen. Anila, listen. Anila, listen. I tell you one thing. Please remember one thing. Okay? In this case, how can you say, how can you ask, who the hell are you? You're trying to be Sherlock Holmes. Nice counters to me. I will continue to ask you. I will say, and please listen to me. There was a man, and now I'll show you the video. If you're going to ask me the questions, then I will respond with videos, Anila Singh, and I will show you the videos. I will show the videos. And here's the video. There is a video in which there is a man under a jeep tire. Anand, can we play the video when there is a man running out of the car, out of the Thar jeep? Left front door of the Thar jeep is open. A man in a kurta runs out. If you look closely, there is a man under the left tire of the jeep. Viewers, please see. I've circled it there. There is a man. There are visuals of a man who's struggling for his life under the wheels of a jeep that has just mowed it down. The man inside the jeep makes a run for it. It's a hit and run on tape. And I'm being asked, I'm being told you are Sherlock Holmes. I say it's more than elementary for anyone to see this. Please. Don't tell me how do I know. I'm not Sherlock Holmes. All the millions of viewers tonight can see this for themselves. Anila Singh, Riju's responding on the debate. I have tough questions for you as well, Riju. Yes, Riju, first your counter to Anila. Let's keep the debate moving.
Yeah. Yes, I just want to say, Uttar Pradesh from being a Ram Rajya has become a killing Rajya. Trinamool Congress's MP delegation is the only opposition who has successfully managed to reach the family of the farmers. Why? Because you can try to stop us, but you cannot stop us from fighting for the justice. We stand in solidarity with the farmers. We had to disguise ourselves as tourists. We have to use guerrilla tactics to go and meet the family who are grieving. Who have been mauled down by your cars, who have been massacred in broad daylight. It is a murder in broad daylight or from either side. 8 people lost their lives. Today, Prime Minister Narendra Modi gave a pompous speech in Lucknow. How far is Lakhimpur from Lucknow? Did he once mention our Annadatas who's the backbone of Bharat?
I can allow anyone to speak on this topic, but I can't fathom the side that
why this apathy from the farmers? Our farmers' national issues.
A person who is representing a political party by the name of Trinamool Congress pelted stones on the car, on the cavalcade
of a sitting union minister when they went to visit people who were facing post-poll violence. Sir, shut up.
You are
shut
murderers.
up. Sir, you do not. Sir, shut up.
Your chief
Sir,
minister,
shut up.
Yogi Adityanath,
Shut
is a
up.
criminal.
Expletives on my show. Thank you.
Shut up.
Please, Rajat, you also control yourself. Please speak. Everybody is civil.
Arnab, he is calling the sitting prime minister as a murderer. What else do you want me to say on this?
You have to answer.
Can you please
just cut the crap? Just cut the crap. Have the decency to engage in a debate.
Okay, now Riju, now I am requesting both sides to maintain some civility on the debate right now. We were going well. Riju, listen. Riju and Rajat, listen to me. Now can I tell you this, please? Riju and Rajat, can I say something to you? Now you won't listen to me, both of you? Can you both listen to me? This is terrible. Come on now, Rajat. Okay, now Rajat, please can you come for a minute and I want to make a point. Please, gentlemen, please. Okay.
Their houses burned.
1 second. Now, Ratan Sharda, don't take off. Allow me to redirect the debate. Thank you. I'll go full frame at this because I need to talk to the viewers and I want to say one thing to the viewers tonight. First of all, our friend Rajat Sethi says to our friend Riju Datta, don't use intemperate language when you're talking about the Prime Minister. I agree with that. I think the important thing, Rajat, is to continue to debate the issue along with Riju without trying to get into making it a personal debate or a personal attack on anyone. It won't help the cause. Second issue. I want to bring the debate down to specifics. Sorry, I'm coming to all of you. I want to bring the debate down to specifics. Viewers want to listen to the specifics. 9:33, gentlemen, we are losing time. 9:33, gentlemen, we are losing time. Please.
Oh, just shut up,
Our
sir.
farmers are not on national income.
Now, Riju, if you have come with a premeditated statement, I will not allow you to continue on that. You will have to answer my question. Please, viewers, show the pictures, and I tell Anand right now, our producer, please show me the 1 minute 45-second video of the mob action. I want to run the video without any editing, not this one. We've shown this one earlier. Now show the video after that, the 1 minute 45-second video, please. Yeah, and I just want to talk over this, viewers. This is a 1 minute 45-second video, 1 minute 45-second video. The SUV is being turned turtle. There are slogans of Pakro, Maro, Mardo, Mardo. And there is a man being repeatedly hit. This is the lynch mob. This is the lynch mob. And this man is killed out there. And you know something? At one point towards the end of the video, there is a voice which says, video band kar do, video band kar do. Can I just increase the ambient sound so you listen to it? Increase the audio, Anand. Stop recording. Viewers, these people are completely armed. Swords, sticks, knives. And there you see there's a lynching carrying on. There's a group of people who start moving towards where the lynching is going on, where a man is being killed. And this is the truth that Priyanka Vadra will not talk about. This is the truth that the Congress does not want you to see. This is the lynching in Lakhimpur that a sections of the Latvian media is not reporting. An innocent man is being killed out there. Now, audio. Question. Viewers, you heard that. Volume down. I want to go back to the debate, Anand, quickly. And viewers, you see there, they are saying, Mardo, 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 kill him, kill him, kill him, kill him, kill him, kill him. It goes on repeatedly, kill him. Find another person, it says, I'm coming to you, I'm coming to you. It says, find another person, Kapil Madani said, kill him, usko bhi maar do, maar do, maar do. And then, while there is a person who moves there with what looks like a menacing sword, they say, video band kar do, video band kar do. I want to ask you, Kapil, what happens video band hone ke baad? Was the man murdered? Did he die? Yes. Is the Congress party talking about this? No. I want to know why not. This is a lynching caught on tape. Kapil, the people who call India Lynchistan are not saying a word about this tonight. Not a word. And I also want to know from Riju Datta, my friend, whether his party leaders went to the family members of those who were lynched.
Arnab, allow me to respond. Finish your question and allow me to respond.
So I will respond to your question also, and I will respond to what the cabinet minister of Uttar Pradesh who appeared on your show and he made a remark. So he made two statements on your channel.
Respond to my question.
I will respond to your question also, and I'll
No. Respond to the video I just showed. Respond to the video I just showed. Please respond to the lynching video.
Now tell me something. Now Arnab, tell me something. You have seen a Thar, mowing down, and you have asked tough question to the representative of the BJP government, and I appreciate that. Now, what is happening thereafter? When the leaders are trying to go there, they are not even allowed to go there. Now, why is this happening? Where is the grievance? Where is the grievance? The grievance is not that you don't investigate. The grievance is, sir, allow me to complete. Sir, I have not even finished. I have not even finished.
Stop giving lectures.
Please control your anxiety.
Okay, let him finish. Ratan Sharda, you'll have your full say. No, Ratan Sharda, you'll have your full say. You'll have your full say. I just want you to have the little bit of patience that Kapil Madan finish. Then I come to you, then we'll all hear each other. Please, Ratan Sharda, I plead to you with folded hands. Please now, let him complete. Let him complete his point.
So Arnab, now
let him complete his point, Ratan Sharda, please, sir. Let Kapil complete, then it's your turn. I'm coming to you next.
Goal to massacre farmers.
So we have a situation,
I won't be
Arnab.
allowed to be disturb anybody when I speak then.
So Arnab, I can't speak like that. If he
you are from the Supreme Court.
if he wants to make
Okay,
his
so
point,
Ratan
if he
Sharda,
wants
it's a
to be
deal. You will
qualified.
speak after Kapil finishes.
You want a perfect
I
silence
will
here.
come to you after Kapil finishes. You have my word for that. Thank you, sir.
Now, Arnab, what is the situation? Where do we stand? So we have a powerful minister who's making a statement on record that कि किसानों को देख लेंगे. After 10 days, this incident happened where there is a Thar Jeep on record. You've displayed it, and I appreciate it. You've categorically made a remark that it is not an accident. It was definitely a premeditated murder. Now, just to respond to your question, Arnab, is there anyone from the farmer's side who apparently did the retributive violence there? Is there anyone, any individual who is the part of the government there who can influence the investigation there? Because what is our grievance
Kapil, can I
here?
ask you a
Our
counter?
grievance
Small
here
counter
is
to you, Kapil.
that
My
you
counter
conduct-
to you is, who are these
Our-
people who are
our
wearing
grievance is
Bhindranwale
you-
t-shirts? Who are these people who are wearing Bhindranwale t-shirts? Who are these people who are wearing the Bhindranwale t-shirts? Who are they exactly?
I have
Who are
seen
they?
that, Arnab. I have seen. I personally don't know who is he. Neither you can say who is he. But the point is,
But you know
that
them.
does
But you're
not
saying
change the
they're farmers.
fact.
You're saying
That
they're
does not
farmers.
change the fact that
Mr.
there
Madani, you're
was a
saying they're farmers,
statement,
huh?
provocative statement made by the minister कि किसानों को देख लेंगे. What happened immediately thereafter? The son of the minister, same minister, goes and you are showing these disturbing visuals where these farmers and
Kapil.
at that point in time, Arnab, it is also evident that
Kapil,
there
Kapil,
was
Kapil,
no
Kapil,
violence on the
Kapil,
other side.
Kapil, I have a very important counter to you and everyone tonight. Please bear with me now. I need a moment of indulgence. I need a moment of indulgence. Journalistically, I've gone through the footage. I need everyone, including Rajat Sharma, Pathikrit Pain, Rajat Sethi, Bharat Katiyan, who have not spoken, to give me 30 seconds of patience and you'll understand what I'm trying to say. See, I have no vested interest here. I'm not that part of the media which is looking at this opportunistically, the nice moment to build up somebody as a leader, etc., etc. No, this is the Indira Gandhi moment. No, I don't look at things opportunistically. What I'm saying tonight is this. You said that it was deliberate. It was deliberate, yes. But was the incident premeditated? No. And I'll tell you why. I'll tell you why. Please just be patient. Don't jump on me. See, I have seen the footage. Whole day I have spent looking at this footage, trying to analyze it. There is a footage I request our producers to pull out where before the incident there is a car which is going through the same black Fortuner. The big luxury SUV is going through and it has stopped. It has slowed down. Okay? There is a man in a white t-shirt in a passenger seat. This comes later. This footage is later. In this footage you see, no, the one before this, please, producers. In this footage you are seeing that the car is moving through and it's being attacked with stones and sticks. You see, this is the car. This is before the quote-unquote accident, which is not an accident. You see, here, you find the Jeep is behind, the Fortuner is in front, and the car is being attacked with sticks and stones. So were the people in the car being intimidated before they carried out the mowing? Yes, it was. Let's not doubt it. There's another piece of footage, the before this one, where the car actually stops and it's completely surrounded. Do we have that footage with us? It's completely surrounded by people. This is earlier. I don't know if you have the footage. Do we have it, please? Can I get a verification? Yes. Look at this footage, viewers. Just keep looking at this footage. All these people have surrounded the car. Please see, viewers. Pictures don't lie. The cars are surrounded by the mob. The people inside the SUV are totally outnumbered. The mob is saying, BJP Murdabad, BJP Murdabad, BJP Murdabad. The car slows down. A man in a white shirt is in the passenger seat. He's almost negotiating with the mob to allow the vehicle to pass through. So if you are saying the BJP people wanted to kill people in the mob, why would this car have slowed down and stopped in the first place? Oh, audio please, can we play the audio? Run the footage with the audio. Okay, now let me speak over it and I go to Bharat. Bharat, listen to me now. Now speak now very rationally. I want to go to Ratan Sharda first and then Bharat will come in. My point is, that if this was a premeditated conspiracy by the BJP leadership to kill people, this car would not have stopped. It would not have been surrounded by people who were, who were carrying sticks and swords in their hands. The visuals are very clearly showing that there is a man in a passenger seat who is with folded hands trying to negotiate with the mob to go through. Visual 1. Visual 2, the car moves out in a fast speed and there are people hitting it with sticks and stones. So there is an attack on the vehicle, no doubt. And then the third footage is the 31-second footage in which the car mows down people. So my point is, was it premeditated? No. Were the people in the car surrounded? They were. It may not suit your narrative, but they were. They were, not the people who were mowed down. Other people, another group, had surrounded the car. The unfortunate thing is the people who have died are not the people who had surrounded the car. But was the car surrounded? Yes. Was it surrounded? Were the people threatened? Yes. Was it stopped? Yes. Were the people inside the car being intimidated? Yes. Is that a reason for them to mow down other people? No. But don't say that this was premeditated. No. This is not premeditated. The visuals say so. Ratan Sharda's turn. Sorry, I took too long. Yeah. Ratan Sharda with Bharat. Ratan Sharda first.
If you have seen the video of the driver begging for his life, he was the one who's driving the jeep. Was he captured and was given to police? No, he was lynched to death. Other 2 people lynched to death. 2 people ran away. What do you expect people whose life is in danger not to run away? Have you seen an accident? Driver sitting there. And if BJP leaders were going to attack these farmers, they won't be foolish enough to attack them in such a huge number. This is the very basic understanding. I am appalled that when you try to differentiate these people who come here, try to differentiate between the people who were run over by a jeep which had a broken windshield, so it was also attacked, and 4 people are lynched. Are you saying that those people who were run over by the car, a frightened driver, are nothing? They should be condemned to death, and those people who are caught should be lynched as a retributive justice. They didn't know they could go to police. So this was a deliberate violence by the people who claim to be farmers. And I say this instigation for violence is not new. It began with Shaheen Bagh. It went on in farmer protests. They never spoke against lawlessness. The leaders of them continuously have got having wonderful relation with Khalistanis. They had wonderful relation with Tekar, who first appreciated farmer bill. Then it gives threat to everybody. He says, अगर आपको शांत रहना है तो घर में रहिए, वरना सड़क पे नहीं आइए. आपके जेब को क्या करेंगे? These people who are attacking and abusing media. You are part of the media has been abused by same so-called farmer leaders.
First of all,
so this partial way of looking at a very
the very first statement that you gave was really correct. At the end of the day, Indian citizens are dying.
TMC
Where are we?
Presided over worst violence and they justified the violence.
May I speak?
They neglected the violence. They spoke untruth in the front of the court.
So let Bharat come in now. We have limited time. I want to give everybody their turn. Bharat is debating right now. Ratan Sharda, Bharat in the closing part of the debate with Pathikrit Pai, who have not spoken yet.
And now they are supporting these people. What policy do they have?
So I would take my 2 minutes. Sir, it is very shameful that we Indian citizens are debating on a situation where 8 people have died.
Create a problem for
it is so shameful that other political parties.
Unshamed politics. See here the Khalistani guy showing his t-shirt.
Okay, so 8 people have already died. And at this point, we Indian politicians, we are debating. We should unite and understand that Khalistani t-shirts are there. We should understand whether it was premeditated, whether it was right or wrong. People are dying. Khalistani flags are there. Khalistani t-shirts are there. People are going aggressive. Young blood is dying. It is shameful for Congress, for BJP, for other parties who are coming on such channels, such important channels, and they are blaming each other. I, being a national president of a party, I bow down to every political party and request, please unite before our country finishes, before the youth of our country finishes. Do not use all this just for your own sake.
Arnab, let me just say a couple of points. I won't take much time.
Sir,
First of all,
I was waiting. Just please understand.
It's a very obnoxious
listen to me, sir. Everything is not politics.
Those
listen,
who did it should have been punished. but I cannot support
Listen,
the lynching
sir,
because
do
I
not-
may be
do not
completely
debate on an
against any kind
incident.
of road blockade, but I will certainly never allow or support a mowing down like this. However, today let me tell you, Arnav, the farmers or those
Listen
who
to
are
me.
protesting in the name of
Listen
farmers,
to me.
they have lost the moral high ground also.
Listen
For the
to me,
last
sir.
1.5 years,
Do you know eight people died?
all kind of
I don't
violence
want
that
to
has been
shout,
normalized
sir.
and
I don't want to
justified
shout.
in the name of anti-farmer protest, in the name of anti-CA protest,
shout.
which has completely sullied the image of this country.
Understand.
You know, you
Please
cannot
understand.
If I
It
were
is a
in
very
that car,
sensitive issue.
I would never
Sir,
mow down
you
anybody,
are shouting.
but I would also not
You
certainly
are shouting.
trust anybody surrounding me and
You are shouting. You are not
throwing stones at me.
realizing.
So nobody
It is
can
Khalistan
claim to
coming
be
in our
holier than
country.
thou. No political
From
party,
China is
neither
coming
the
in
farming
Uttarakhand.
community. It is
And our
time
country
that law
is
and
at
order
stake.
take the decisive stand. What has the
Sir,
Supreme Court
our
said today?
country is
What
at
are these
stake.
protests happening for?
We need to unite. If our political parties do not unite, we are gone.
No, but
country. What are these protests happening for? Not a single Muslim has lost citizenship
You're not
of this
realizing
country.
what I'm
And
speaking.
yet
You're
so
just
much
blabbering,
violence
sir.
happens in this country
You're
in the
actually
name
just
of
blabbering because you want to
protest.
speak something on channel.
I'd say this. Anila, back on the debate.
And this has to stop.
Anila, is it possible to take I'll close with Anila. Is it possible to stop taking a political line on it and to pull things back from the brink? My concern is if the politics over this polarizes more, then people who are against national interest are already benefiting. We are on the edge as a country. We don't want the situation to worsen. I think we must all play our part. Anila and Mr. Ahluwalia. First, Anila.
Arnav, I just want to say here one thing. Like you said that you showed one video and you said that was it premeditated? Then you said no, it wasn't. But one thing I can say for sure, it was premeditated by the gundas of Congress, by the gundas of Samajwadi Party and by the gundas of Bhindranwale group. We have seen with our own eyes people wearing t-shirt of Bhindranwale, they were hitting these vehicles. How we have seen that how a few of, like couple of the men there, how they were beaten to pulp. So it was all pre-planned. And what they said, बहाना क्या लिया? क्योंकि वहां पर अजय मिश्रा ने कहा कि मैं 2 मिनट में आप लोगों को देख लूंगा.
Closing.
पर सच्चाई ये थी, ये मौके पे ढूंढ रहे थे, उन्होंने बोला ये सेंटेंस बोला और इनको मौका मिला और इन्होंने वहां पे गदर काट दिया और उसमें 4 किसान भी गए तो 5 और लोग भी मरे हैं. And my heart cries for all 9 people.
We need to pull back.
We observe that political parties are going to talk about 4 farmers and they're not going to talk about 5
किसानों को मारेंगे आप लोग?
who lost their lives there.
कितना किसानों को और मारेंगे बोलिए ना अनिला जी? How many Kisans have lost their lives in the last 11 months?
Like BJP is
Please tell me this.
And
have you felt the excruciating pain of the farmers sitting on the roads in Delhi?
So how
Did the Prime Minister, the Home Minister have the courtesy to go and meet them at Singhu border? आज लखनऊ में आप डायलॉग दे रहे हो, एक बार भी लखीमपुर का नाम आपको याद नहीं आया?
Ladies and gentlemen, I think we've explained the videos in great detail. We've asked questions on both sides. Neither side can claim complete innocence. But there's one thing at the end. People who are playing around with the situation, who are trying to explore the fault lines of this country, to see if by creating sparks here and there, they can create a larger fire. They are the people who are truly against national interest. On the other side tonight, there's a sympathy campaign that's been going on. Even as the Drugsgate investigation blows up in Mumbai, when we come back, we have some explosive details on the simultaneous operations that are underway. And we'll tell you why the NCB crackdown is winning more and more national support.